Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we have an incredible real or fake that won't leave you disappointed. When I first saw this picture, I had to assume it was fake. Because what is it? Well, we're about to find out. First, let's discuss melanoma. Melanoma occurs when the pigment-producing cells that give color to the skin become cancerous. Symptoms might include a new, unusual growth or a change in an existing mole. Melanomas can occur anywhere on the body. Treatment may involve surgery, radiation, medications, or in some cases, chemotherapy. So it turns out that the photo is real. It's a compression bandage on melanoma patient Bethany Greenway. In 2014, Greenway first saw what she thought was a liver spot on her head. Not only was the spot a bit alarming, the constant aching she experienced was as well. Knowing that her mother had stage 1B melanoma in her 30s, Greenway had her spot looked at, but was told it was benign. 2 years later, in 2016, she received the devastating news. I remember that my plastic surgeon called on a Thursday, just after my father-in-law took my oldest child swimming at the neighborhood pool. Greenway told the Mighty. The doctor asked if I was sitting down because we needed to have a serious conversation. That's when her surgeon told her, after finally getting biopsy results from several different labs, she had 2 different types of cancer. The mole on her forehead was desmoplastic melanoma, and the bigger spot on her forehead was melanoma. Greenway was soon put in touch with an oncologist and had her first of 2 surgeries in August 2016. One surgery consisted of a skin graft, where skin from her thigh was put on her forehead, and the second surgery consisted of removing 5 millimeters of the lower half of her surrounding skin. Well, there you go. It's real, and now you know what it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I gotta show you these fantastic extractors and what makes them better than the competition. Now, first off, this is a large case. A lot of the competitors have the same images, but they're at 3/4 scale, so you get a tiny little product. Now, inside, you're gonna get a variety of extractors. Now, something nice about this is that they are of medical grade steel, okay? These are fantastic, and they are going to be designed to not spread bacteria. Now you get 7 total extractors and the high quality case. That's a bonus. The case and the extractors are stored in an air-conditioned facility in the United States that is going to keep them hygienic. A lot of overseas competitors put them on a ship overseas. They don't have them hermetically sealed, and molds, fungus, all sorts of things can grow on the extractor while they're stored for years at a time overseas. These ones are straight out of the United States. You can see the gripping material here, and each one is inspected for quality. That's another aspect. A lot of the competition are going to give you ones with busted zippers, 3/4 size, or if you look closely, you'll be able to see bacteria on them. Like you can see mildew and mold. These ones are fantastic, brand new, and of high quality. Now, there's a variety of loops in here. You have your, the equivalent of like a Schomburg extractor, which is the type that Dr. Sandra Lee uses. That one's really nice. You have a bunch of different options. You can see each side, so there's 14 different sides here. Plus, on top of all that, there's going to be what is my favorite. This is the Lancet. Let me see if I can get that to focus for you. There we go. The Lancet itself is going to allow you to puncture those larger punctums and really pop the big stuff. All right, now you've got 7 different extractors, including a spade, which is going to be good for like cleaning your pores around your nose. Just press this around your nose, and you have the bigger extractor tool right here as well. Again, sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus for you. There you go. So you get a variety of tools, each one with 2 sides, this thicker handle here, high quality, and something that is shipped right out of the USA, Amazon Prime, and available for you. Again, medical grade steel, air-conditioned facility, full-size professional quality tools, high-quality zipper, the genuine case. This can't be beat. So if you're looking for a great set of extractors, folks, go ahead and pick these up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. You're going to love them.